Oh, pilots and ground crew, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to give you a bit of information that may help somebody else and save somebody some money. I just wish I'd have got this information. I've been building an FPV backpack, right? Not complicated, it's just so I can take it from one model to another model. I'll still be doing that video, but what I wanted was the new Akk Fx2 Ultimate Vtx video transmitter, which has 1.2 watts, 1200 milliwatts, to get a bit of a long range and a better signal. We're not talking miles and miles, but hopefully I was thinking I'll get a clearer signal as I get further away, right, as you would. But the actual VTX arrived and I started to put it in the backpack, and I came across a problem, right, and now the thing is destroyed before it's maiden, shall we say. And I just wanted to show you the issue with it, because this is something that could happen to any one of you, right? So you have to be extra careful at a certain point. So let's just zoom down on the table and have a close look at the board, and I'll show you exactly what I did, right, to knacker the thing up basically, and hopefully it'll stop it from happening to anybody else. Okay then, let's just zoom down to the table. Right then, I've zoomed right in so we can have a close look at the problem, and hopefully it'll stop anybody else from doing it. This is your VTX, and it's for your standoffs to mount directly to your quad or whatever. Right, it comes with an MMCX connector. Right, you can power it 7 to 26 volts, and it also has smart audio all built in. You just wire it to your flight control board. I'm not going to go into too many more details. It goes up to 1.2 watts, 1200 milliwatts, but it has 25, 200, I think it's 600, and it all works from press button. But I'm not going to go into too many details because this video isn't about that. This board is now knackered, believe it or not, right, and I haven't even used it. What it is, you won't be able to tell because I tried repairing it and the repair did not work. This tiny little circuit here, right, this conductor, I'm not going to lie to you, I don't know what it is, right, or what it even does, right, but this tiny little conductor component here has been smashed off, right, ripped off for want of a better word, and I've tried resoldering it back on, but it won't work, right. Well, I got it soldered back on, but the board just won't work. So whatever that little thing does, it's important. Right, now how did it get damaged? Hopefully, well, you can see these 4 holes, which is for mounting your standoffs, right. Well, this particular one, you probably already guessed, this little electrical component is right next to the hole. Right, I'll just zoom out a little bit here to give you an idea what happened, but you probably already guessed. Now, as I mounted this on a standoff and connected the other standoff onto it, as I tightened down, I might as well show you because it's already damaged. I don't know if you'll see that, it's already twisting. Hopefully you'll see that. But if I just leave that there and try zooming in again, wrong way, I will have to move that. Alright, will that focus there? Sorry about this, I'll just zoom out a bit more. There you go, in focus. Now, as you can see, that little conductor I was telling you about is right on top of where the standoff goes. It's right on top of it, right? And as I tightened the standoff, it just caught it and ripped it off. I've never come across this problem before. Yeah, you always have to be careful. You can't just get a spanner out like that and start wrenching away at these things. But this little conductor component, whatever it is, like I say, I'm not going to lie to you, I don't know. It was a bit closer than what it is now, and as I tightened the standoff, it literally just ripped it straight off. And as I said, I've taken the thing off, and I only tightened it by hand. In fact, it's catching now even there. I'll put it back on again. Yeah. Is that in focus? Sorry. There you go. There. Yeah, as I tightened the standoff, it literally ripped the little component off. So the bottom line is, if you're using one of these AKK, right, the FX2 Ultimate, the ones with the 4 rolls, right, be very careful when you're mounting this standoff. In fact, if you look at your board and you see it has this little component so close to the hole, I would leave that hole blank. Sit it on, obviously, right, but only fasten up your other 3. Right, don't put any nut, any component, anything on that side, because that came off real easy, and the board now, brand new board, never been used, is knackered. Like I said, I tried to resoldering it back on, but it's such a small thing, right? I tried it, then I plugged it in, we had the magic smoke. So it's knackered. I just wanted to share this so that if anybody else buys one of these, they know what to expect. So be very, very careful. And as you look at it, the bottom left, right, next to the JST connector, I would not connect a standoff, a nut or anything on the top. Just connect it up with the other 3 holes, which will be perfectly fine, right? It's only a VTX, it doesn't need soft mounting. So I just wanted to share this, right, because I would hate this to happen to somebody else, because they're not super expensive, but they're not cheap, right? That's 30 quid down the toilet and not a damn thing I can do about it. Okay then, just trying to get it level so you can see a bit better. There you go. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, I just wanted to share this bit of information, and if it helps just one person, I'll be happy. I did mention I was putting this on my FPV backpack, which obviously it won't be going on now. So I'll be connecting something else on there in the future. So that video will be put on hold for a little bit until I can afford something else. I will probably, maybe, buy another one of these because I wanted to test it. But at the same time, it's another £30 to lay out. And no, not right away. It's not that important, but the FPV backpack will be coming in the near future. Right, thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, just check out my playlist. I've got a few more, right, under quad vlogs and stuff, and obviously flight videos. So if you like, please subscribe, leave thumbs up, leave thumbs down, and thanks for watching. Cheers.